Start with 3 eggs, any kind will do. I like to warm my eggs up in a bowl of water to make sure I'm not cooking cold eggs and reduce the amount of time of cooking in general. Set your stovetop to medium and give your pan some time to warm up and expand the pores. Once your pan is ready, give yourself a layer of butter to prevent your eggs from sticking. After that, add your eggs and begin moving them as soon as you can. Our goal is to make sure everything is cooked evenly. Use your spatula to break the yolk and start scrambling your eggs. You want to be gentle enough to not mix the yolk in with the egg whites, but you also want to keep your eggs moving at all times. Look for when the eggs start to form clumps. That looks about right. Add a little bit of salt, some pepper, and begin to work them into the egg. And of course, all of this wouldn't be complete without some toast to go with your eggs. I'm making my toast now, but you may need to start yours while you're cooking your eggs to make sure you have some fresh toast by the time your eggs are ready. All that's left to do now is put the two together. You can either do this on a plate or on a sandwich. To spice things up a little, I like to add a little hot sauce to mine. Only thing left to do now is to dig in.